Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this clown Halloween look. But before we get started, I want to kindly ask you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I upload videos every Monday and Friday. I also did several Halloween looks this year. You can check those videos out if you're interested. Also, for more similar content, you can go follow my Instagram account. You can find it linked in the description of this video. And without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. I started the look by first sticking my brows up using a bar soap and a spoolie and really push the brow hairs on my skin. Then I set my brows in place using a translucent powder. To hide my brows, I started by using a color corrector. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I applied it all over my brows. I applied another layer of powder and then used my Juvia's Place shade sticks to hide my brows completely. And finally set them with powder once again. I used some white water activated face paint and painted my entire face. Then I set everything in place using my RCMA No Color powder and added some white shadow from the James Charles palette on top of it. I used the makeup wipe to remove the paint from the sides of my face. Using the black eyeshadow from the James Charles palette, I did some shadowing around the white area to make it look like I have a mask on. Then I added some brown to blend the shadow into the skin. I took my Sigma Wicked gel liner and drew some buttons that are supposed to hold my, let's say, mask in place. I mixed the black and the white in the James Charles palette to create a grey shade that I used around the buttons to create a shadow. And I intensified everything using the black. I took some colors again from the James Charles palette and used them around my eyes and mouth area. I wanted to make it look like smudged makeup, so I used more bright shades. I used orange, yellow, purple, and green. Using again my Sigma Wicked gel liner, I created a very quick smoky eye. So I applied the gel liner all over my upper and lower lid. Then I set my gel liner in place using the black in the James Charles palette. And I blended the edges using some grey. With the gel liner and a small brush, I drew some tears under my eyes. And then something like a smudge triangle on top of my brows. Don't ask me what that is, it's just a clown thing, I'm not sure. I contoured my lips with the same gel liner and did like the Joker smile on my cheeks, so it's kind of like an extension of my mouth, let's say. Also made it look a little bit smudged as well by drawing some stripes. On my lips I applied the Fenty Mattemoiselle in the shade Clapback. This looks like black on me, although it's a very dark blue shade. I finished off the lips by doing some more smudges. With a bright red lipstick I did my nose and also drew some really high fake brows and smudged them. Use some white face paint to add some highlights. And I finished off the look by applying mascara and false lashes. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and look. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're having an amazing day and see you on Friday for another video. Bye!